Hey guys, good news, I have a fitness app. You get to work out live with me and other amazing trainers every single day. Go on, download Feel on the App Store or go to feellife.com and start your journey to become. Hi guys, it's Joanna here and I got my big guy with me.
Hey, 大家好，我是 Terrence.
So a lot of you, in fact all of you haven't met Terrence yet. What's interesting about us is that my first language is actually English and Terrence's first language is actually Mandarin.
华语。
Yes. So he understands English, I understand Mandarin a little bit. But we've decided to keep this video interesting in the sense that I'll be speaking in English and Terrence
华语。
他会讲华语。
对。
明白吗？厉害嘞。Those of you who have been following me on Instagram, especially on my Insta stories, I'm sure you have seen my meal prep pictures. Actually, those meal preps are done by Terrence. 是不是？
对。OK 好，今天我大概会教你们怎样去准备一些营养的这个食物。
So it's actually really simple. Terrence will be prepping the meat, the fish, the chicken, the beef, and I'll be prepping the vegetables. So this meal prep will be enough for lunch and dinner. It's going to be for his portion and also my portion. And obviously his portion is way bigger compared to mine. So here are the ingredients we'll be using for the meal prep. About 500 grams of chicken breast, about 300 grams of beef, 400 grams of salmon fillet, 400 grams of perch, 2 medium carrots or 1 large carrot, 1 head of broccoli, cherry tomatoes, about half a cup to 1 cup, 2 sweet potatoes, as well as lots of herbs and spices.
OK， 所以今天呢，我要教你们怎样切这个鸡胸肉。你要看，如果是鸡胸肉它很厚的话，你就要把它切成一半；如果不厚的话，就这样子的话，其实都 OK。所以这样子的基本上给我的话，我会把它切，因为让它比较容易的比较熟，而且你腌制的话它也比较入味。OK， 所以鸡胸这样子就好了。通常呢，我的 meal prep 里面一定会有鱼，因为他很喜欢吃鱼。
Actually, I only eat fish. So for those of you who are wondering, I'm pescetarian. I'm a pescetarian, so I don't eat any of those chicken or beef. So only fish. Hence, there's always at least 2 varieties of fish: salmon, perch, which is what we're having right now, or at least another Sabah fish. So what Terrence is doing right now, he's going to marinate the chicken breast with mixed herbs. The reason why we like to use herbs to marinate is because there's almost 0 calories, but you get to flavor your food and it makes your food taste so good without the additional fat, cream, which you just don't need in your diet.
其实调味料呢是看个人的喜欢，你可以放很多种调味料的，是看你喜欢什么。有些人他需要原味都 OK。
And actually, Terrence has been competing in men's physique bodybuilding for the past 5 years. Hence, he has been cooking and meal prepping for himself for the past 10 years. Right? So he knows what he's doing. Whereas for me, I'm just gonna start slicing and prepping the vegetables. So I like to thinly slice my vegetables so that it cooks quicker. He likes to do his broccoli a certain way to actually remove the hard part of the skin. Whereas for me it's whatever, man. As long as it goes into my body, I enjoy the food, it's good enough.
我比较喜欢把这个broccoli 的那个它的外皮都丢掉，因为吃起来会比较爽口一点，比较脆，因为它的皮基本上很厚。
Can you see Nala? Nala likes tomato. Nala, open, catch. Oops, sorry. Nala eats everything. 好了，好了吗？
还没有。
为什么这样慢？快啲啊！ See, I never learned cooking professionally before. That's why I believe that if I can cook, anybody can cook. I mean, look at the way I'm slicing things. Because I literally learned how to cook for myself when I lived alone in the UK. That's when I started. And I didn't know what to do. I just started slicing and cooking and just, you know, even if it doesn't taste good, even if it looked horrible, I just ate it. It doesn't matter.
现在还不用担心啊，我会帮他煮。
哇！Yay, 好了。This is done. We have prepped all the meat and the vegetables. Now, Terrence, you'll be cooking, and I'll be, as usual, boiling the vegetables.
OK， 所以我会教你们怎样去煮这个鸡肉、salmon 牛肉跟这个白鱼。所以看起来很简单，基本上 你要拿捏它的时间不简单，所以我会教你们这样做哦。
He uses very little oil, to be honest. And the thing is that because when you cook salmon and meat, you know, basically when you cook salmon especially, it produces a lot of oil. So you don't need that extra oil.
然后呢，我会把它抹掉，就把整个锅擦的有一层表面上的油就好了。所以我通常我煮的时候，我会把它这样移动一下，那就比较不会粘锅。OK， 好了。第二个就是鸡胸肉。
So I'm going to boil my broccoli really quickly, just for maybe five minutes or so, because I like it quite hard. And especially when you meal prep, you don't want it to go soft because you're going to keep it throughout the day.
当我煮salmon的时候，我会放油脂一起煮，它的功能就把它多余的这个油给吸掉。基本上这样，我会放在这样子。火就不要太大，因为我本身比较喜欢用慢火来煮东西，慢火煮出来的东西会比较好吃。
哇，很香啊！
哇，
我饿了 ，I'm already hungry.
对，他是刺鱼专家。
So this is already done. It took about 3 to 4 minutes. So you still want to keep your broccoli green, okay? If it turns yellow, that means you have overcooked your broccoli.
OK， 漂亮，这样子是最漂亮。然后当转过来的时候就不要太久了，因为那个鸡肉会很硬。我个人会把食物就是煮的 well done， 就是一定要熟，因为我的食物是从早到晚上，所以如果煮不熟的话，可能吃了会肚子痛，所以我会煮得很熟，会比较硬一点，但是比较安全。Alright。美味可口的鸡肉好了 ，Woo!
So the salmon is done. It's well done, but it's not overcooked. So it's still moist and delicious. And basically now we have to allow all the food to cool down before we can pack it into our containers.
对，这个是很重要的。
Chicken breast, salmon, and we're just going to let it cool down. And Terrence is going to continue cooking the perch as well as the beef. Nala, not for you. How了啊
Yes， 因为不可以 overcook， 因为我每天很多人讲哦 ，overcook。
我已经饿了，没有 overcook 啦，好吃，好吃。I have to say this is my favorite fish. I love to eat this fish. It's so easy to eat. It's very high in protein as well. And yeah, I never get bored of this. Sometimes I like to put this into my soup as well and just make fish soup. So the sweet potato is done. Again, scoop it out, let it cool down, and this will be our complex carbs. Everything is done, so now we have to allow all the food to cool down to room temperature. And then Terrence is going to slice the chicken breast, salmon, as well as the beef, and we're going to store them into containers and bring it out with us for lunch as well as dinner. So now we're plating up for lunch and also dinner. His portion is almost 3 times my portion, so I always joke that what he eats in a day, I can eat in at least 2 to 3 days. So as you can see, everything was just pan-fried, lightly pan-fried, very little oil, and we used a lot of herbs and spices to really bring out the flavor for each of the meat. Finally, my meal, perch.
Alright.
So usually I will eat about 3 fillets for each meal, and that's about 100 to 120 grams of perch. And the rest is for him. Whatever I cannot finish or whatever that's left over, it goes there.
Yeah, that's why I'm big.
Double my weight. And salmon. And again, this is about 100 to 120 grams of salmon. So in total, I get about 250 grams of fish. So now I'm going to plate the vegetables, and as you can see, we like to make sure the vegetables are really dry so that it will last the whole day.
对，一定要记得，一定要给它完全冷的、干的，不然你食物到晚上就会坏掉。
For you. And done. So this is for lunch and dinner. Terrence's portion is at least 3 times more than mine. In total, if you look at this, it's about 2,300 calories and about 330 grams of protein.
Yeah.
So that's for his body weight, and that's for the kind of training he does, because he's a men's physique bodybuilder, so he needs to eat a lot more. For mine, combined is almost 900 calories. Each meal, I'm talking about vegetables as well, it's about 450 calories. And in terms of protein, it's about 90 grams of protein combined for one whole day. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you want to watch more videos of us together, whether it's cooking, working out, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Show this emoji below. Yeah, the muscle emoji.
Yeah.
Leave your comments. Let me know what do you want to watch more of, and hopefully we'll film more videos. And don't forget, okay, to subscribe to my channel and also his channel. All the best.